Welcome back to another video. In this video, as you see, we're in front of our barn, and as you see behind me, that's the dormer we built in the start of summer, and we did stay in it in the last video. We did actually want to stay in it fully. We realized that maybe the white line's not the best, so yeah, we did not get to do that because as you see, it's minuses, it's snowing, so it's too late for that. So it's anyways in 3 months, March, and in March the temperature should be already up where we can do it. It's gonna be no problem. That's not the worst. The worst is the roof tiles. So let's get that on because we did want to extend this building and we never attached them because that's where the extension would start, kind of a little roof here for all our wood storage, but we never did that, and I don't think we are planning to do it anytime soon, so let's rather put the tiles on. So let's get started and attach the wood that is actually going to hold up the tiles,
which we actually already had cut and done.
Yeah,
but then we got carried away by rain,
so it's going to be clips from a bit before.
Yeah,
so let's get started. Okay. Wow, that's a lot of snow falling.
Uh-huh. What are we doing with our lives? Sometimes I wonder.
I want to go back inside and work and then everything besides this. Somehow there's holding. This flippy flop, maybe a double staple.
Yeah.
Is that on?
Nope.
The one staple. Oh my god, so good. Nothing, nothing, nothing. 5. We always want to tell it, don't we? So we are halfway done with the one side. We have done 3 tiles, it's 3 more, and then it's finished, this one. But before we continue on with that, we have to go get more tiles. We run out of the tiles that were here. Let's go and get the other side actually same way with the wind barrier and everything, so it is just like ready for the tiles, and then we're gonna go get some more tiles. But yeah, the challenge has been intense, and I think the next cloud is already coming. It's kind of stopped now.
Why do we do that? Why do we always like ourselves a challenge? Like we work faster through
We could have done it in the warm weather, but we were busy, thinking it's not that important. We can't see it every day.
Exactly. The problem is that we don't see it.
So it doesn't really bother us, or we don't remember to do it. We're just so into doing it. And if we come to the garden, we're like, oh, it's evening. What can we do, you know? Yeah. But let's go and finish it now. So.
Hopefully we're done by the day and be done with it.
No, I don't want to come back here until spring. It's a mess. Okay.
Let's go over there. At least we cut the wood.
Yeah?
So we don't have to do that. How much nicer it looks with white roof contrasting.
White roof tile?
Yeah, kind of like it looks really nice with the dark wood.
Oh. Something works.
It's actually going faster than I thought it was this weekend.
I told you now.
One side is done, and we're gonna hurry up a bit. Hopefully that's not coming for us, but it kind of looks like it is. Also, last time we did the roof, we're also battling the rain, you remember?
Yeah.
So this whole project is just like a fight against the weather and our timing.
Has to be.
Okay, quickly the other side. I think the other side is not so many, even though it is quite.
It's the same.
It should be the same.
Should be sick. I'm gonna go shopping. Going to the market.
That is 3.
Can you lift it up? So I feel like we're not. Whoa, that is heavy.
At least they're coming pre-snowed. So they're not gonna look ugly out of place.
Pre-snowed.
You know, like pre-painted? Those are pre-snowed. Start snowing again.
thank you, thank you, thank you.
It looks stupid, but it works, and it's not stupid.
Yep.
And I nearly hit you like the TikTok with a stick, like. We did it.
So it is all done. I am wet and soaking. My gloves are soaking to the skin, but it is done finally. And now at least we don't need to worry when water goes over and gets on the beams, because that was the saddest part. It wasn't getting in the building because it's overlapping the roof so much, but it was getting directly on the beams, and that was just sad. So to prevent them from getting rotten, it is best to keep them like this. Now they dried out through the 1 week of no rain, so now this snow, we definitely didn't want it to get all over the beams and all getting soaking. And we don't know how much more it will snow. It could snow 40 centimeters in a few days. It, you know, happens really fast.
Plus snow would also blow in.
It would blow in and
yeah.
get all my tools, on my electric tools, and my normal tools, everything would just get covered in snow. So I think this is a lot better, and it was a quick and easy thing we could do. So yeah.
Should have done long time ago.
But now we're gonna get on with inside. I don't think there's any more outside jobs probably till next year. So hope you enjoyed. We're gonna see you again inside on the projects that continue on in there. I don't even know what we're gonna do next now.
We know.
No, we know.
We know, you don't know.
What you guys are gonna see next. But yeah, bye bye.
Okay, let's now go inside. I'm really happy we did it. We just discovered a pumpkin.
Mouse has also discovered it.
A Halloween pumpkin.
It was like, oh! Wait.
Okay, leave it out here.
Sick. Okay.
Your sound effects.
Maybe there's more. Just have to look. Once the grass was everywhere, you couldn't see them.
Okay, we're just gonna leave it here for the mice to eat so they don't eat our house.
Maybe.
I mean, the inside of the house. Our cookies.